Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to show you that how you can remove background from any picture. So if I show you that I have a picture of Mr. Bill Gates, so if you see there is some blue background behind the picture, so I am gonna remove this. So let's see how I can remove the background of the picture. Okay, firstly you have to go to Google, then you have to search here remove background. Okay, here you will see an website called www.remove.bg. You have to go to this website. Okay, after going to the website you will see an option called upload image. You have to click on upload image, then you will see a pop-up of your desktop to select the image, then select the image of Bill Gates. Okay, as you can see that the website has removed the background of the image automatically. You don't need to do anything here. So if you want to download the HD file, you have to get the premium membership of the website. So we are using it free, so that's why we use the download. So as you can see, the file has been downloaded. If I open it, so if you see that the blue background has been gone. So if you don't believe, so open it in Google docs.google.com. Okay, if I open a new blank file, okay, if I insert the picture here, okay, for inserting the picture I have to click on insert, then image, then upload from computer, then select the image. The download file is here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the image. There is no background here. So guys, this is how you can remove background from any picture. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.